Hi everybody, so today in this video I am going to be talking to you about something very exciting and that I have used for a few years now myself, and the company asked me if I wanted to do some content on their products, and I was like yes, because the products are lifesavers for me. So this is the company is called Flare Audio, down here, and they produce a whole bunch of earplugs, not just normal earplugs. These are a wide range of different earplugs that you can use for many, many different reasons. So I have got 3 different kinds here. So I have got the Calmer, I have the Calmer Soft, and I have Ear Shade. Now the Ear Shade ones are ones that I have never used before, but the Calmers, the original Calmers, these ones are a lifesaver for me. I bought some of these a few years back. I'll put a screenshot of my thing to say that I ordered them myself from Amazon. So yeah, I ordered them then, use the hell out of them. They are a lifesaver. Let me explain to you why they're a lifesaver. So if you have sensory processing issues, if you have sensory processing disorder, or if you have autism or ADHD, sometimes you can find that certain sounds can be really triggering and they can really affect your day. For me anyway, I personally find that crowded spaces, loud noises, places where it's just quite busy, or for another example is when music is playing and someone is trying to talk to me. They're 2 things that I can't do because I can't distinguish the sounds from each other, because I don't know, apparently it's something to do with autism. So I didn't know that, and I just thought that it was just a weird thing that was just me, but it is a symptom. Calmers. These ones I haven't opened yet because I'm saving them for when I need to use them, but I didn't open these ones because I have used these ones before and I love them. I got the clear ones. These ones are the really nice kind of mint green ones. They're really nice. And yeah, it says that these are to be worn in the ear to reduce distortion in everyday sounds. So these are the ones that you want to buy if you want to still hear things, but you just want the decibel level to be taken down a little bit. I wear these all the time when I go to the Steelers. It's quite loud at the Steelers. It can get quite overwhelming. It can get quite a lot. So I use my Calmers pretty much every single Steelers game, when I go to sports events, when I went to the Formula 1. These are what I used because I just wanted the decibel level to be taken down, but I still wanted to hear everything. They are so comfortable to wear in the ear. They are... I've never had any issues. So these ones, lifesaver. Now moving on to the Calmer Softs. Oh my word. These ones are even better. Now, I love the Calmers. The Calmers are amazing. Never had any issues with them putting in my ears, leaving them there. But these ones are just a little bit softer. Just a tiny bit softer. They do exactly the same job. They're just teeny weeny a little bit softer, so they're a little bit less obvious in your ears. Like, you can't tell that you have these in your ears at all. And these are just these ones now, I swear to God. They also sent me this little capsule thing to keep some of my Calmers in. So in here I have my little, they're so small, look at how big these are. These are the Calmer Softs in this cute little lavender colour. Love the lavender colour. Absolutely perfect. They have a shape to them, which I will show you in a second. It's a very unique shape. For the first few times of me trying to use these, I could not for the life of me get them in my ears. But once you figure it out, it's like they're not there. And everything just becomes a lot more clearer. It's incredible. Like, these are a lifesaver for me. I don't know what I would do without these. I've tried other brands. I ordered other brands before I ordered these ones, and they were so uncomfortable and didn't really do anything. They kind of just blocked the sound more than just took the decibel level down a little bit and took the fuzziness out of it. These ones, yeah, love them. And then we have these ones, which I'd never tried before. These ones are the ear shade. These ones are certified ear protectors. So if you are going to like a concert, or if you just want, you know, you want to go to sleep and you want peace and quiet, these will probably be better for you. These ones come in this cute little flare, little plastic tub. And these ones look completely different. These ones have a foamy kind of consistency, so they're really malleable and you can kind of squeeze them and get them ready to go in your ear, and then you put them in your ear and then they expand, and they are amazing at what they do. I don't use these ones as much because generally I want to hear things better. My sensory things are more like, I just want the volume to be down a little bit. I don't want to not hear anything. But if you wear noise cancelling headphones, then maybe these. So yeah, I prefer the other ones to the ear shade ones. But if you are a gigging musician maybe, or you go to a lot of gigs, these ones do the job. I put them in. I had the TV on when I put them in and I couldn't hear the TV. So, I don't know. Handy little case for these, and thumbs up, like them a lot. We'll keep those for if I'm ever around somebody who snores during the night. So yeah, that is my little video on the Flare audio items. I love them. As I said, I've used these products myself for a few years and I highly recommend them, and I'm so happy to now have these cute little purple ones. Yeah, these are just, I love them so much. Adios.